देसी वाल का नहीं कितना ही भेज दो, देसी पना नहीं काट सकते उनमें।
So small, it's so little I got, but it's super convenient.
Ever since I came to New Zealand, I never did दातुन।
दिल मेरा धक धक डोले।
So you chew it and it will be obviously very sour. And once you chew it, it becomes soft. And then you use those bristles as like a toothbrush. भाई औरतें चाहे किसी भी कंट्री की हो, कहीं पे भी बात करने लग जाएंगी ना, समय का कोई अंदाजा नहीं लगाएंगी कि कितना टाइम लगाना है कितना नहीं। और ये देखो चेरी गुआवास, चलो इनको क्रश कर देते हैं ताकि तेरी मम्मी ना खा पाए।
ये रात और ये दूरी, तेरा मिलना है जरूरी कि दिल मेरा टुन दिल मेरा धक धक डोले, दीवाने लिए जाए चिकोले। Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. This cutie pie just woke up and I started singing to her, and you wouldn't imagine, her eyes were half open and she started dancing just like this. Exactly how you saw her dancing to this song. Baby, good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, you did. Your daddy was taking care of you last night. He knows.
What is she eating? The bread?
Yeah, steamed bread.
My little bread eater.
Here we go.
Ah, she's her wife. Every time she sees her, she's like, no, I want to go to her.
Of course, it's much fun with her. She gets to travel, imagine. It's a big one. I'll let her take her time to chew.
Don't give big ones, please.
Only bread we give her big one. Other things we give.
Don't.
Look how cutely she has been packed in her pram. Okay. संखाई लो. Take her.
उसके बाद मैं चला गया एक मार्केटिंग इवेंट में जहाँ पे 250 से भी ज़्यादा मार्केटर्स आए थे, लेकिन टेंशन मत लो, मैं आपको मार्केटिंग की बात करके पकाऊंगा नहीं। बैक टू सीधा होम।
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। और भाई पहली बार इसके लिए मैं इतने सारे गुब्बारे लाया हूँ। इसका रिएक्शन देखो गुब्बारे के लिए, डर रही है इससे और मन भी कर रहा है इसका कि इससे खेल ले। ये देखो जैसे इसके पास लाता हूँ डरती है। क्या हो गया बेटा? ये खेलने के लिए है, खेलो, आ जाओ। नहीं खेलना। ये कैसा है भाई, अजीब सा रिएक्शन। देखना भी है कि ये क्या चीज है, लेकिन जैसी पास आ रही है फिर डर रही है।
How many are there?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good, you can count.
Otherwise,
We're going to send all of them, like at least 5 of them, to our neighbors.
why?
What to keep it here?
She can play it. Okay, do whatever.
ये देखो पड़ोसी को, बच्चे को गुब्बारे देने जा रही है। आवाज मारी पहले उसे कि आजा नीचे। तो ये देखो वो बच्चा है ऊपर। 2 साल का बच्चा है वो, चाइनीज। यहाँ पे पढ़ाई के लिए उसकी मम्मी लेके आई हुई है। जाके उसको पकड़ा दिए गुब्बारे। हाँ भाई, क्यों है तेरी मम्मी इतनी अजीब? हाँ गुस्सा होगी, तेरे गुब्बारे दे दिए।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, और भी रखे, खाली 2 ही तो दिए हैं।
वो भी देखो छोटा बच्चा कैसे खुश हो गया। ये वो बच्चा अब बातों में लग गई होगी। खड़े रहो यहाँ पे,
बातों में लगी तेरी मम्मी। मेरे से बात कर ले अब तू। हम दोनों चले पापा बेटी घूमने, हैं? चलो मम्मी को छोड़ते हैं, हम चलते हैं। आ जाओ, लेट्स गो। अपने आप आओ। टिक 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 टिक। हुई। हुई। कलाकारियाँ चलती रहती है मेरे साथ इसकी। भाई औरतें चाहे किसी भी कंट्री की हो, ये तो भाई मैंने देख लिया, कहीं पे भी बात करने लग जाएंगी ना, समय का कोई अंदाजा नहीं लगाएंगी कि कितना टाइम लगाना है कितना नहीं। अच्छा खासा मैं बोल रहा था, बस अपना गुब्बारे रख के उसके डोर पे चलिया। और मेरा मन नहीं था अभी वॉक पे जाने का, अभी सो के ही उठा था मैं, और कल रात को बढ़िया पार्टी से एकदम हैंगओवर में आया था मैं। नहीं दिन बढ़िया निकला हुआ है, चलो बेटी को घुमाते बोल के खुद वहां पे गुब्बारे दे के बातों में लग गई। और मैंने कहा भाई चल अब, वी आर गेटिंग लेट, लेट्स गो। यस यू गो, आई विल फॉलो यू गो। लग गई बस बातों में। तो भाई जैसा कि मैंने कहा, औरतें किसी भी कंट्री की हो, दो जब जनानियां बात करने में लग जाती है ना, तो समय का कोई अंदाजा नहीं लगता है। हाँ बेटा, मम्मी छोड़ गई है, खाली पापा के साथ वॉक करना पड़ रहा है मेरी बच्ची को। वो पापा के साथ वॉक करना पड़ रहा है, कोई नहीं, हम ऐसे ही बात करते हुए चलेंगे हिंदी में। हमें मौका मिल चुका है हिंदी में बात करने का। और ये देखो चेरी को आवाज, चलो इनको क्रश कर देते हैं ताकि तेरी मम्मी ना खा पाए। ओ मेरे गप्पू, क्या हुआ बेटा, किस सोच में है? इतनी गहरी सोच, वो मेरा बच्चा इतनी गहरी सोच में है। कुछ तो बोला कर, समझती भी नहीं समझती तू हिंदी। वो देख तेरी मम्मी आ रही है भागती हुई। Done with your girls talk?
Yeah.
What did you start talking?
We'll go back to China next week and we'll come back again September.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Why did you bring this?
Just so that a walking snack for us. Some popcorns.
Why some water drink drop on me?
Because it rained just half an hour ago. So the raindrops are on these leaves. They are dropping on your head. So you were just talking this much and it took you so much time?
Some this and that.
This and that. That's what I'm saying. Girls from any country, any part of the world, they are always going to be like this.
Yeah, we talk this and that.
We talk this and that.
Yes.
It was your plan to go out on a walk and you start talking there, this and that.
I was planning to drop the balloon and go.
Yeah.
The boy is quite excited with the balloon.
Yeah, he was. While you were talking to his mother down there, he was coming on the balcony again and again, like, why my balloons have not come up yet? Because he was waiting for his mother to come up. And her mother started talking to you.
Yeah.
So he's waiting over there, I was waiting over here. We both were looking at each other.
What? It's good to talk with someone.
Yeah, good. I'm just kidding.
That's fine.
Now what?
We're going to New World
Why?
to buy some milk and chicken liver.
I got you the milk, soy milk. Already.
It's almond milk.
Oh, okay. So you still want milk?
Yeah, just keep one bottle at home in case mom wants to make some steamed bread for her to stock up in the fridge.
Okay, so we are just going to New World to buy one bottle of milk. That's it.
And chicken liver.
Oh, chicken liver. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So did you notice most of the times when she's playing by herself, she's doing this?
Yeah.
I believe because when she was in your belly,
Yeah.
I used to play a lot of ukulele. Down, down, up, down, down, up.
That's a nightmare for me. When she was in my belly, I have to bear with that because I think, oh, Dad is playing so good. I'm playing for my baby girl.
But she loved it. That's why she does this.
No. She's like,
Take it away. Huh? No.
enough, stop it.
She's gonna
That's why
play.
she's like that.
She's gonna play that ukulele. I don't know where it is now. It's been a long time. I haven't seen it in the house.
Birthday gift.
I know it's a birthday gift. I kept it very nicely. I don't know where it is now, but because
Yeah, you keep it nicely, but you don't know where it is now.
definitely somewhere nicely. She will be playing it when she grows up.
I thought she'll be playing keyboard.
You used to play that keyboard and piano when you were little and you used to get beaten by your parents. Why do you want to give that trauma to her?
I'm not saying I'm going to give her the trauma. I'm just going to let her play nicely.
Yeah. We don't have space. Keyboard takes too much
next
space.
to my table.
Next to your table is that wardrobe now.
No. Facing the blackboard. Oh, yo.
What are you? You want me to pick her up? We don't have the belt. Do we?
No.
Maybe? Don't cry. No. No. Keep sitting. She's smiling. She's smiling. Why not her?
She want you.
Hi. Let's go.
Your daddy is lazy. Okay, next time we pass this by, she'll ask my mother to do this. She has memories now.
Let's go. ये देखो भाई नीम का पेड़ और इस पे निम्बोली लगी हुई है. जिसको पता है वो गाँव में रहा है उसको पता होगा. और इससे मैंने अभी ये तोड़ी है दातुन.
Brushing tree?
टूथ ब्रशिंग ट्री. इसको मैं बता रहा था कि कैसे हमारे वहाँ पे इससे हम सुबह सुबह अपने दांत ब्रश करते थे.
Now every day we'll come here to brush our teeth.
Okay. When these green things, they will turn yellow, they will be edible and really sweet.
Oh, next
Nimboli.
month we'll come back again to eat them then.
Yeah, we used to call them nimboli.
Okay.
और ये भाई अपना दातुन.
Come on your chest.
Good. तो इसको चबाओ और चबा के फिर ये जब so you chew it and it will be obviously very sour and once you chew it becomes soft and then you use those bristles as like a toothbrush.
This is the weirdest thing I've seen this month.
Come, keep walking. Come. This is called datun in Hindi. You know, in America, they are selling these things for like $2 in supermarket.
Wow.
Yeah. Can you imagine by calling them herbal toothbrush?
Let's make it a business here.
Let's go.
Hey.
You also try it. I want to see your reaction. Yeah, so this side is mine. You try the other side. So just put it in your molars and try to chew it.
What is the molar?
The back teeth.
Oh, man.
Chew it, crush it.
What?
Just like how you eat crabs. So to break that shell, you chew it, you do that.
What's that taste like?
It's gonna be sour.
It's not sour. It tastes like poisonous and spicy and bitter.
Yeah, that's why your teeth doesn't have any kind of algae or anything. That's why it naturally, herbally cleans everything from your teeth. Trust me, just go for it, chew it.
I trust you, but I cannot do that.
Just one bite. Just go one bite.
Here, brush all your...
Just take one bite, come on.
Oh, vomit.
Okay.
Waste of breakfast.
I'll do it. देसी वाल का नहीं कितना ही भेज दो. देसी पना नहीं काट सकते उनमें है ना. तो ये तो वैसे भी यार अच्छी चीज है. अगर आपके वहाँ पे नीम के पेड़ हैं और अगर आप दातुन करते हैं तो आपको तो पता ही है उनके फायदे. जो नहीं करते वो एक बार जरूर ट्राई करना, आपको पता चलेगा. What happened? So amazing. It's been such a long time I have done this. More than 2.5 years. Ever since I came to New Zealand, I never did datun. Now I'm doing it.
Oh, no, if I know you like that much, I'll chop a tree for you. To chew everything.
It's just doing some nostalgia. I was growing up in my village.
Yeah.
The boys just used to go and these trees were everywhere. You would just break it in the morning while chewing, you're walking. Very usual thing.
Such a bad taste, though.
It's healthy. Trust me, it's really healthy. Better than your toothpaste. It has chemicals in your toothpaste. This is natural. That's what people used to use.
There's a peanut cover.
Huh?
There's a peanut cover.
Oh, the pineapple slicer. Yeah, that's the... You want to do some?
Yeah. Do we pay or do we do anything or anything?
I think we pay in the end. We just put the pineapple in, and then it will be sliced. So this is the first step. You put the pineapple inside this, and then the machine will do all the things.
Here.
Yeah, open it.
Oh, watch our girl.
She's also watching this.
Do some, please.
Yeah, place it over there.
Wait. It just dropped.
What will you expect? And there you go.
Whoop. So small. They're not so small.
Yes. Half of it got wasted in the trash.
True.
That's why you don't slice it through the machine.
How thick it cut.
Yes.
There.
Yes.
Oh,
Basically, it.
buy one, you get half.
That's why you would never see people trying to use the slicer because they know it's such a
How
waste.
to get it out? How to get it out? So small, it's so little I got, but it's super convenient. I don't have to cut it myself.
That's good. Let's go.
Okay. Oh.